Hello and thank you for watching. You've seen these stairs a few times, but they had stair protector tape on. It's now gone. The job's done. The Nantwich bathroom is complete, and happy to say I've really enjoyed doing it and my customer is happy with it too, which is great. Truth be told, I've probably spent too much time enjoying it. Anyway, we're done. Let's go and have a look at it. One of the things, it's probably true to say, it's not just a bathroom would probably categorise this job. One of the things we did that was asked for was to replace the doors on the landing, which we've done. And these are oak panelled doors from Wicks. Very nice, very heavy, and the customer is just in the process of varnishing them. The bathroom door's been done, clear satin varnish, really works really nicely, and it's water based, so quite straightforward to do. We enjoyed doing these, and yes, how about that? How nice is that? And they all just close beautifully. We also put a loft hatch in to start with. That was one of the first jobs to be done because the access to the loft was really awkward. It was a small square hole, and it was very awkward to get in. You sort of graze your back every time you climb up the ladder, which is not what we wanted to do. I'll show you what we did in the loft in a little bit, but the main job was converting and renovating the bathroom. If you remember from the first video, there was a separate loo and bathroom, and we've combined them. So here we are, finished, complete, and we've moved in. So I'll show you the main things that we did. If you remember, originally we had a bath there, which went up to the wall, which was about here somewhere. Bath, P-shaped bath with a glass screen. There was a radiator here. The bathroom door was inboard quite a bit. There was a vanity unit there, and obviously the loo is where it is now, but there was a wall. It was a separate room. So combined the two rooms. The wall came down, the ceiling came down, the plaster on the walls came off. The floor was replaced. So basically, the only thing in this room, things that stayed in this room that haven't been changed, is the window and the outlet to the toilet, because that's where it needs to be. So what have we done? Well, small bath, turned it round, smaller bath, 1500 millimetres wide, it's enough. The bath is mainly used by the children, and that's fine. Nice walk-in shower with a handset and a monsoon head, and this shower has a deflector panel, so that when you're standing in, you've got plenty of room, and the water doesn't spray out of the door, which obviously we don't want. We have a nice radiator, towel rail radiator, which is toasty, I can tell you. It's lovely and warm when it's on. Robe hooks, various accessories. The basin, cupboard and loo units are combined. We have what they call a unicast basin. So the basin and the worktop are all cast as one piece, so that you don't have any lines of silicone where a basin has been let into a worktop. If it works in your bathroom, I would strongly advise having this, because it just makes it so much easier to clean. It's nice, it's clean and simple, and just makes life so much easier. New window sills. These are called K-board, and let's see if we can. Yeah, you can just about see the finish there. It's a sort of granular plastic finish, which means you never need to paint, and it's wiped clean. Shower wall from the side of the loo all the way around, basically all the wet areas. So put that in, round the window, in the shower, and stop at the end of the shower. And what that's allowed is, we reckon that if we had shower wall all the way around, it'd be too much. It'd be too much white. So with the paint, we've got a nice contrast, and with the wood and the white woodwork, I think it works really well. The customer chose the flooring. It's vinyl flooring and single piece. This was laid last week, I think, and I really like it. And it won't be to everybody's taste, but it works here because it breaks up the surface. It's a good contrast with the white, and there's a good variety. Basically, all the colours or shades of sort of grey and silver that we have in the room are reflected in the floor. So in that respect, it works really well. Also, new lighting in here, as you've seen, new extractor. The original extractor was pointless, basically, didn't really do anything. And as you can see reflected in the shower wall, we have UPVC ceiling. This is gloss UPVC panels, tongue and groove. They just clip together, stick to the ceiling, and basically it means that the ceiling is wipe clean. You don't paint it, you don't need to paint it. You won't get mould, you won't get peeling paint, and it's absolutely ideal if you've got a small room with a lot of moisture, which of course in a bathroom you're going to get that because you've got the shower producing a lot of moisture, and obviously as it's enclosed pretty much, apart from the extraction, it hasn't really got far to go. And you've got the bath, kids splashing around having a good time, so there's a lot of moisture being involved in the room, and the ceiling will allow that not to be a problem. So small bathroom, I would advise it. What we also have is a wall cabinet which has a no-touch switch, which is good. Give you some illumination so you can see yourself. Yeah, there you go. You haven't seen me before, and I wouldn't advise you see me again. Yeah, nice. And the behind here, that's, don't want to see him anymore. Behind, no press, no paparazzi. There's a heat pad demister in the mirror, so that if it's cold and it's steamy, you're not going to get a condensing mirror. And then there we are, off it goes. So that's really nice. What else is there? I don't think there's anything else really. Right, so yeah, it was a good job. Really enjoyed it, and pleasure to work here. Let's just go and have a look in the loft to show you what I've done in there. Okay, so we're on the landing, and the loft ladder is a Facro, which you can get in lots of places. Made in Poland. It's really sturdy and really nice. So I'm going to try and do this one-handed. Okay, so just unlock it. You just unlock it and let it go. It's got counterbalance springs, which just mean that it's not going to drop on your head. Good thing. And then pull it down like that, and as you can see, the ladder sits on top of the lid. So unlike some loft ladders where you have to have space for it to go up and in, this only takes up the space of the lid, which of course you're not going to have anything on otherwise, so you don't lose any space in your loft. So here we go, and it just folds out. I'll try and do this. There we go, and it folds out, and there you go. It sits on the floor quite nicely. It's nice and sturdy and wooden. And then off we go into the loft. It's a bit dark in here. Put the lighting on, which won't make any difference. If you remember from the first video when we looked in here, there was like a wall there and a wall here. For who knows what reason, not done by the current owners, done by previous, and I've no idea why that was. neither have they. So we stripped out. As you remember, the ceiling came down, and yeah, there was a bit of work there. And they said, could you board it out? So to give us some more sensible storage space. Yeah, of course I can. So there we have the extractor, which is a nice inline cyclone fan, which extracts from the bathroom there and blows out through a soffit vent over there. And we have yeah, some boarding out. OSB, oriented strand board. In case you've never come across it before, it's like slivers of wood all squashed together, and it's pretty good. Good low cost loft boarding. And underneath there is insulation all the way around, and yeah, it gives them some more usable space. And there we are. So let's get the ladder back up. So as I said originally, let's see if I can do this one-handed. No, I can't do that in a minute. As I said originally, not just a bathroom. So loft ladder, boarding out, plastering, building. There we go. A good job, very enjoyable, and we'll move on to the next one now. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it, and have a good day.